Welcome back, everybody, to Peterson Farms in Nashville. Bad Boy Elite ZT. This is my trim mower. Does all the trimming around the property. 60-inch deck. I know that sounds funny. A 60-inch trim mower, right? So with the Bad Boy, you've got a 60-inch deck. The controls for the Elite, you've got the mowing blades engagement. Got the throttle, got the deck up or down, raise and lower the deck. You got the hours meter, and obviously your key switch right there. Got a nice little holder here for different things. I usually put my iPhone in there, stuff like that. It's got the 7000 series Kohler 747cc engine. And one thing I misrepresented or misspoke on my previous videos, these reservoirs here that hold hydraulic fluid, that's for the hydrostatic transmission. Didn't realize that's what was on here. This has a hydro transmission. Then obviously you've got your fuel fill, fuel gauge, and this is where your cup holder is, and anything else, I guess including cicadas, you can store down there, or your GoPro stick. Brake to engage the brakes, and then this is your choke. So that's a little bit about the Bad Boy Elite. You also have some other nice features. The seat goes totally forward, and then your battery is stored down there. And everything's easy to get to. Everything's easy to get to clean, work on. So haven't really had to do a whole lot of work on this. Did have to charge the battery here just recently. Then if you're working on your belts, you can easily access those by lifting up this front plate and gaining access to all the belts and pulleys, whatever you need to do there. So very happy with the Bad Boy. Can't go wrong with that.